just wanted to go over a few things on the hands-on. So far, very, very impressed, software and hardware alike. Let's get into it.
As you see, we got two surfaces here. We have one with the blue and one blue cover, one black cover. This is the type pad cover, and this is the touch pad. This one has actually moving keys. This one, the keys don't actually move. It actually feels really weird at first, but when you get the hang of it, you probably won't want to use it. This one's definitely probably going to be the one more people gravitate to. But this one is kind of our fan favorite. Unfortunately, neither of the two comes with the Surface. You have to buy them separately. And Windows 8 definitely seems to be focused on multitasking, where you can, do two things at once, or just, just get more done and so forth. And then you can just use this bar to kind of, balance the two off to see which one you want to use more so. And then you can easily, you can do a lot of cool things with it. Windows Surface is running Windows RT. RT is pretty much a Metro version of Windows 8. It's all Metro, only rely on apps from the newly christened Windows Store. And unfortunately, legacy apps won't work. So if you hear Windows RT and Windows 8, those are pretty much the key differences. Windows 8 as a whole, since this is our actually first time checking it out, it's pretty good. This is the start screen. You got access to all your cool apps. Pins. You can move them. You can long press, move them around, do all the cool stuff. You can do some good multitasking. We got a Site Up. Internet Explorer runs pretty good. The messaging app, so we have the browser and the messaging app, and then you can, multitask. You can still pinch to zoom over here, and then bang on a message over here. We also want to talk about the magnetic attachments between the Surface tablets and each of the covers. So it's a series of magnets, and then there's a joining magnet. So when you put it in, you should hear a nice snap. If you don't do it right, these pretty much won't work. If you try to hold it upside down, your Surface will fall. But since it has Gorilla Glass 2.0 on it, no damage should occur. You just look like a fool by thinking you had your cover on tight. Hey, it happens. But let's leave it off. Let's get into more of the stuff. They have an actual stand built in. Snaps no problem. And oops, trying to pull it in the wrong way. Open it the wrong way. 32 gig RT. Got a USB right here. Full size USB. So it's like a micro USB. The power button, with a mic or a speaker, volume rocker, another mic, headphone jack, and then the grips for that, and of course the magnets. The hardware is done pretty well. I mean, it's super light. You wouldn't tell the weight that it truly is. Display is great, resolution looks crisp, text and everything, although, it's using Metro, using dark, this particular display has dark colors, it still shows off a great looking display where, no pixels present, sharp, no real lag when doing processes, unless you just don't know, unless you're still trying to figure stuff out like we are. But yeah, so far, Surface seems like a great graduation from previous Windows OS to Windows 8, and combining great hardware and great software, which many manufacturers, aim to do. But we hope to get more in depth to see if there's any flaws in this. I'm pretty sure they will come about. But in the meantime, good to go.